cha-cha. Now what I want you to do is, watch, don't do it with me. This is what you're doing. Right, left, right step. Turn, left, right, left, we stop. Now watch, we're going to do a half, walk easy, then a quarter, okay? Half, we're here, then quarter. We're going to wind up on this wall. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Cha-cha, step, turn, cha-cha, stay here, walk easy, half, quarter. Y'all can do this. No, most of y'all can do this already. Let's try that part. And after that, we down here is easy. I always got one little catchy step. So let's cha-cha. Right step, turn. Left, right, left, we stop. Listen to me. You're gonna fall back on your right with that walk easy. Walk easy. Then do it again. Quarter turn. What? Okay, we can just keep on going. From here, we're gonna cha-cha up. I'm sorry, from here we're gonna sail. Right and left. That's gonna slow all that down. Yes? All right. Then we're gonna cha-cha up. Right step up. Left, right, left step back. Let's get part 2 down. That's all part 2. Rodeo, we're coming back to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Let's do that part. Part 2 starts with the cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha, step up. Cha-cha-cha, we stop. Walk easy. Quarter. Sail. Cha-cha-cha, step up. Cha-cha-cha, step back. Rodeo. That's 2 and 3 and 4. I know y'all know my voice is that deep. Y'all got it? Let's do that part again. 5, 6, 7. Cha-cha-cha, turn. Cha-cha-cha, step up. Half, quarter, sail. Cha-cha-cha, step up. Cha-cha-cha, step back. Rodeo. Use your hands, swing your hands. Got it? All right, part 3. We're doing in a beat. Going right, then left, then back. 2, 3, 4. I need to see y'all move with it. Don't do this. I need to see y'all move. Yes, look at yes. That's what I want to see. Y'all got that? All right. So we're gonna kick right, step up, kick left, step up. Move with the dance. 5, 6, 7. Kick right, step up, kick left, step up. Right, left, right, left. Do it again. Kick, step up. Do it twice. Make sure you have it. 1. That's 2 and 3 and 4. Got it? Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7. Kick, move. Kick, move. Back. 2, 3, 4. I need y'all to use your hands. I need y'all to use your hands coming back. That's how move the dance. 1, tap, 3, 4. Yes. That way, even if you're not doing it, your hands gonna look like you're doing it like I want. Yes? All right. Let's walk through the whole dance. And we're gonna put the music on when we go. 5, 6, 7. B. All right. Right. Left. Right. Do it again. B.